everybody, it's Ed the Old Tech Guy, and today I have another cool Milwaukee PACKOUT hack for you. Do you have the Milwaukee PACKOUT 2-drawer toolbox model 48228442? Well, this hack may fit some of you. You guys know that I do some handyman work like in construction, mechanic work, low voltage work, HVAC work, but as my namesake says, I specialize in tech work. With all these things that I dabble in, my number one challenge has become staying organized. I have a cool hack to show you that may help some of you, but not all of you. I recently came to the realization that the PACKOUT drawer system would work great to store spare materials, such as tech materials, especially since I designated these boxes to never leave the site. I did not want to just start throwing stuff in the drawers and make another mess. I wanted a stacked level of organization. I could easily 3D print something that could be stackable, but instead I found this on Amazon. I know, here come the trolls. Yes, it's a serving tray, but there is nothing like it for the Milwaukee PACKOUT system, and it's the only thing I could find readily available under $30 for the black one or white one, or under $20 for the clear one. And guess what? It's the perfect size to fit two stacked trays, each with their own organization. Link will be in the description, guys. I know it's more in line with your wife's home goods shopping, but if it's not manly enough for you, feel free to have someone on Etsy charge you 3 times as much for the same thing. I really hope this helps someone out there, as it's been an excellent purchase and excellent for the way I am using it today. I can't help but think how cool this would be if I put a foam insert and tools like screwdrivers and stuff like that. Maybe a video in the future. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do that. Everybody, this is Ed the Old Tech Guy telling you I love ya. Take care.